London?
Yes, sir.
You're joking.
Yes, sir.
So you just yell out London?
Yes, sir.
Love that boys.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Coach, I want to start by saying it's a pleasure to be out here with you all today. You know, I want to say thank you for what you do for these young men, getting them out here for this experience and exposure today, all right? You're highly appreciated out here. Thank you. Thank you. Guys, we got PG rules. We got an hour 30 live ball, 30 versus legal.
6 innings?
I know it's different from Atlanta. I know my Atlanta team is.
We're both from Atlanta.
We are too, actually.
All right.
So it's not an hour 47 innings, it's an hour 36 innings. Okay. Live ball, 30 versus legal. Everything goes pretty much the same, all right? If you guys got any questions about anything, just call somebody, come talk to us, all right? Pull, foot, swipe, tag, obstruction of view, if anything to be assisted with. If you guys do need assistance. Other than that, just good baseball. And we are on the clock. Let's have a good one, fellas. Appreciate you guys. Yes, sir. And 2 up today. We got the Home Plate Chilli Dogs at the home team this time versus Atlanta Lightning. Both teams are down here in Florida. Both teams are from Atlanta. So it should be a good one. Let's have a Graham?
Yeah, what's your name?
I'm London.
London?
Yes, sir. It's a pleasure, bro. 3. Safe at the plate. There was all strikes, too. Oh, no, now he failed. We got a catch. Oh, no ball. Got a catch. Here you go, 10. What we got, bro?
It is 11-3.
11-3.
Yeah.
Lightening up.
Yeah.
Last inning. Get one. Help. Safe. That is the end of the ball game. Good job, guys. Way to play, baby. Way to play, baby.
Good job again, man.
No problem, coach. Appreciate you. Yeah, there we go. There we go. Good job, guys. Good job, guys. Way to play, fellas. Way to play, fellas. Way to play, fellas. Good job, baby. Yes, sir. Appreciate y'all, guys.
ATL Lightning put up a strong performance, showcasing their talent and dedication to the game. The Home Plate Chilli Dog team to put up a valiant fight, but in the end, the ATL Lightning 13U Black emerged victorious. Stay tuned for more games.
This is E right here, you guys. Yes, this is the coolest PG guy y'all gonna get out here, man. Just check him out, man. Look at him. Shades, chain, PG official shirt. What's up, man? This is E, y'all.
Yes, sir.